Hi everyone, welcome to the SPAS Apocalypse review series. Today I'm going to review the flashlight of the KLARUS XT12GT. This is the box for it together with the flashlight. It has 1600 lumen, 3 XHP35 high D4 LED with a beam throw of 603 meters. Okay, so let's get into this flashlight. I've actually opened it up before, so this is actually a demo unboxing without its accessories shown. Okay, so here we go. The flashlight, KLARUS. Okay, so this is a flashlight KLARUS XT12GT, and the good thing is it has a serial number printed on the body. Good feature. It's got a steel activation switch, which I like very much, and the mode switch, trigger switch like, which are commonly used for in the style of safety catches for rifles. Yep. So you can see the features here. It's got heat sinks around. A good feature of heat sink all around it to dissipate heat. This is the magnetic receptacle, charging receptacle, which is a very good feature of this model, because water does not get in through this port, unlike some models which have rubber caps to cover its USB ports. So basically I chose this flashlight mainly due to this unique feature, which prevents it doesn't have the risk of the rubber cap deteriorating due to my usage of using it close to in saltwater environment, sea and marine environment. Okay, so it's got a deep reflector in it with its LED 3 XHP 35 high D4 LED in it. Okay, and as you can see, it's got a good a clear glass on it. Okay, so, and it's got one of the good features is it has this thing that I like, which is a null surface, which aids in gripping, having a good grip. But the downside to it is this model doesn't come with a tactical ring. Okay, as you can see, so it's quite basically inconvenient to basically get it to press the steel activation switches. Okay, so so that's one thing that is lacking for the original packing. Okay, so let's go ahead and look inside of this flashlight. Okay, I'll open the tail cap. There's a nice smooth tail cap in it. Okay. Okay, the body is quite it's not as thick as some other flashlights, but it's very sturdy. Okay, so basically this is the disassembled flashlight. Okay, I'll show you the accessories now. Okay, accessories are standard packaging is the manual that comes in, paper manual. Next we have the charging receptacle. As you can see here, this is where the magnetic tip sticks to the charger. Okay, as you can see, this is one of the unique features that I got it for, and the other end is a USB receptacle. Okay. battery is included. This is the KLARUS 3600 mAh, 18, specifically for the 18, it's called the 18GT36. These batteries are claimed to be used by KLARUS in also the Tesla cars, batteries for Tesla cars. Other features is the holster, very nice KLARUS holster. Got a plastic clip at the end here and basically a belt holder here. Because they've given a optional clip to be mounted at the side here, okay, which I personally did not have any application for it, so I'm not using it. And I've got some standard accessories. Okay, this is the standard accessories which came with the product, with the KLARUS lanyard. But besides that, I've actually insisted on ordering separately this KLARUS tactical ring, which I finally got it. Okay, and this is the lens filter, green red filter by KLARUS for this model. Okay, so basically I will demonstrate to you about the how the tactical ring basically improves the feature. Okay, so the tactical ring goes looks like this. It can be put in either way around. Okay, and so we can put in the batteries. The battery slides in very nicely. Okay. So basically, that is how the tactical ring, how it looks with the tactical ring attached. And it looks to me very, it looks better with the tactical ring, and the tactical ring gives a good leverage, as you can see here, gives a good leverage for pressing the buttons. Okay. So as you can see here, the easy grip, you can use the cigar grip style for holding this flashlight. Okay, and it gives a good leverage to press the activated buttons, mode button or the yep. So besides that, it's got the red filter. Okay, so the red filter goes in snugly. Okay, so you can have a so this is the red filter, which I find it useful for basically covert op, to be discreet for hunting. Okay. And you may use the this is another optional accessory. Okay, that is the signal wand, which I obtained as well. Okay. So you can actually put the wand over it. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, it's a bit difficult to, it takes some time to work the wand to get over it. Okay. So you can see here. So you can see how the wand works. And the KLARUS XT12GT. Okay, so basically they've got a few modes for. Hello, I'm Suresh, and I'm basically reviewing the KLARUS XT12GT flashlight. And as you can see back there, it's total pitch dark. Okay, I'm at the estate. It's called Sebulang Estate in Malacca, historic place in Malaysia. So it is a palm plantation at the back here. So one of the purpose of reviewing this flashlight is to see its performance basically in a plantation setting, where the distance to the trees, palm trees, is about 100 meters. So this is a short range test firing, you could say, that is up to 100-meter range. So we are going to see how the KLARUS XT12GT is going to do in this darkness. Okay, so let's go over there and review this flashlight. Okay, as you can see, we have our dogs around here. Okay, so basically this is the KLARUS XT12GT on low beam setting, the first setting. So as you can see, the palm trees are just barely visible at 100 meters, approximately 100 meters. And you can see here, this is the first setting. Okay, so I will stop this for a while, and I will compare it, give it a head-to-head with the with a regular aftermarket flashlight. Okay, so as you can see now, this is the regular flashlight at a single setting, where it's only got a single setting and is giving a good beam at the trees. Okay, and this is the KLARUS flashlight. Okay, so this is at the low setting, you can see on the right hand side, and as we increase to the next setting, it gets brighter. Second setting, and to the third setting, and finally on the most powerful 1600 lumens turbo mode. Okay? And its blistering light is cutting through the palm plantations. Okay, so you can see it on the right hand side, the powerful beam of the KLARUS XT12GT. Okay, and it's just eliminating the so-called kill zone, as you say in battlefields. So it's a good Okay, so that was a demonstration of the KLARUS XT12GT flashlight. Okay, so that's all for this this session of test firing of the short range burst of the KLARUS XT12GT. As you can see, I've demonstrated the light through the traffic vent, which makes the beam more spotty, and finally with the SOS beam to the camera at low setting. Okay, that's all. See you all folks in the next session.